Gauravirbhav bhumestha nityashta sajjanapriya Vaishnava sarvabhaumasmi Jagannathayati Gaura prajasita sheshe Vaishnavi banda vigraham Jagannatha prabhum bandi Premadhim Krishna Vaishnavam. So before their devotees, before starting, narrating the glories of Srila Mahatma Jagannatha providing here. In the very beginning, I would like to mention today is also the day of the sixth appearance of Srila Madhavendra Puripal, one of our great, glorious Guru Varga, Srila Madhavendra Puripal. So today is the holy disappearance day of Srila Madhavendra Puripal, who is known to be the Guru of Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita Prabhu and others. Madhavendra Puripal. Okay, so trying to touch a small portion of the oceanic glories of Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. Needless to mention that we are now assembled in the very holy place of Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. He was renowned, he was famously known to be the Siddha Mahatma of this area and beyond. Everybody called him Siddha Mahatmaji. Siddha Mahatma means the exalted pure devotee with divine mystical power, divine empowerment. So, Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj was an embodiment of the divine mystical power, divine empowerment of Sri Mahaprabhu and Radha Govinda Gopinath Madan Mohanji. This is that place, the famous Bhajanasthali, where he used to be engaged in chanting and singing, meditating on Hare Krishna Mahamantram and other divine holy names of the divine couple Mahaprabhu for hours, for days, for months. So, this is one of the topmost holy pilgrimage places for us. I repeat, one of the super excellent, very, very auspicious pilgrimage places for us. This whole place is surcharged, is empowered, imbued with the grace of Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, with the power of his divine Naam Bhajan. So, you know, when Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Saraswati Goswami Thakur, Prabhupada discovered the holy birthplace, advent place of Lord Chaitanya, Gauranga Hari in Mayapur. So, our Srila Babaji Maharaj was invited by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So, at some point, Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj was taken over there, was in the newly discovered birthplace, advent place of Lord Gaurahari in Mayapur, Antardip Mayapur. And at that time, our Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharajji was very old. He was manifesting old day pastimes, very old age pastimes. 138. Okay. So, Paramahansa Maharaj is just reminding me that he lived up to 130 years. 38. Okay, 38. Some say 125, some say 138. Okay. So, whatever way, but it was miraculous. There's a miraculous number of living for so long. 130 years he lived on this world and graced it. Graced this world to our great fortune. That kind of pure, exalted devotee of the Supreme Lord lived on this plane, mundane plane, sanctifying, qualifying, gracing the whole surroundings, everybody. Such a fortune. So, when Srila Jagannath Das, Siddha Mahatma Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj went to the Mayapur, to the newly discovered holy birthplace of Lord Gaurahari over there. So he was already very old. His servitor, his personal servitor, used to be carrying him on a basket on the head. Big basket. He had a big basket with some comfortable arrangement, putting some padded asana and everything. Not bed, kind of. So some nice padding arrangement was there, and because at that time, so Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj was manifesting the Leela, the old age pastimes, manifesting old age pastimes as if he could not be walking. Okay, so to create some scope of devotional service to his servitor and others. And so his personal servitor used to be carrying him on a head, putting him on a big basket and carrying him on his head. That's how he was carried to Mayapur. Bihari Das Babaji Maharaj is the name of personal servitor. Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj was Srimad Bihari Das Babaji Maharaj ji. So then, once he reached, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur was present there. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and other associates were present there in the divine birthplace of Lord Chaitanya Jogopith at that time. As soon as Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj reached that place, his Sevaka put him down, put the basket down on the ground, and he stood up from the basket and he started dancing, energetically dancing, chanting and singing the holy name of Gaura in the divine birthplace. The same Babaji Maharaj, the same one who was manifesting the Leela, he could not even walk because he got so old. So as soon as he was put down on the ground with the basket, he stood up jumped up from the basket and started dancing energetically with so much energy and enthusiasm, being absorbed, being completely overwhelmed in divine ecstatic love of Gaurahari, Radha Krishna. He danced over there and sang the glories of Gaura. Everybody got startled. Everybody got so stunned and so surprised to be seeing him dancing so energetically. The miraculous event manifested over there in the Yogapith of Mayapur by Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and other devotees present there beheld that divine scene, beheld that divine happening, and they also joined enthusiastically, joyfully dancing with Babaji Maharaj. The great Sankirtana, ideal Sankirtana, ecstatic Sankirtana of Mahaprabhu Panchatattva manifested right then and there, okay, through Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj and their associates, ecstatic dancing and chanting, singing the divine names of Gaura. So in that way, he also proved it, signified especially that was the divine birthplace of Lord Gauranga in Mayapur. Everybody was so delightfully pleased, ecstatically pleased. So, the nature of the glory of Siddha Mahatma Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj is that of oceanic character. Ocean. No matter how much I speak about him, I will simply be touching only one small corner, a small point of that huge, unlimited ocean. Because you know the nature of the glories of Lord Krishna, the divine couple Mahaprabhu, Gaura Nityananda, also infinite, also that unlimited character, and the nature of the glories of their divine associates, intimate associates, also of the same character, because Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Gun, Shakali Sanchare. By devoting, being devoted unto Krishna Radhika Mahaprabhu, the very qualification of their infinite, their unlimited character, the very unlimited characteristics of their own glories and qualities also gets transmitted into the character of their own beloved associates. So in that way, as we see, the nature of the glories of the divine Lord, divine couple Mahaprabhu also is infinite. Similarly, the nature of the glories, qualities of their divine associates also infinite. So anyway, so this is the great place, glorious place, where he absorbed in holy Naam, bhajan, lakhs and lakhs and lakhs, whole day and night, because you know, there is no real timing, no limited timing for the Nama bhajan, for the Mahabhagavata devotees, because they become so spontaneous in Nama bhajan, even during their sleep, their Nam bhajan going on, coming up, springing up, upsurging from their constitution, from the depth of their heart, all through the existence, because they are so attached and devoted to holy Nam bhajan. They are the ones, actual acharyas, real acharyas, who taught us how to engage in real Nam bhajana. Okay, he set the example, he set the most wonderful examples before us through their own conduct, through their own practices, how to be devotedly engaged in the holy Nam bhajan with so much love and ecstatic love, ecstatic devotion. This is such place of Sri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. See, our Guru Varga composed two beautiful verses. I will try to be precise. I know time is very limited. One verse. Gaura Braja Sita Sheshai Vaishnavair Banda Vigraham Jagannatha Prabhum Bandi Prema Vidhinga Vriddha Vaishnavam. This verse, the Sanskrit verse, is actually composed by my Guru Maharaj, our Guru Maharaj Bhakti Rakshak Sridhara Deva Goswami Pad. Gaura Braja Sita Sheshai Vaishnavair Banda Vigraham Jagannatha Prabhum Bandi Prema Vidhinga Vriddha Vaishnavam. Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj was that kind of personality, or that wonderful figure, that exalted, devoted personality, who became glorified, who was even worshipped by all the Vaishnavas, glorified by all the Vaishnavas of the Saraswata Gauriya Vaishnava Sampradaya, and who was so much worshipped and glorified by the pure devotees, pure Vaishnavas who lived in the Brajadham, Gauradham, Gaura Brajashita Sheshai, the great pure devotees, Vaishnavas who lived in Gauradham and Brajadham and engaged in, absorbed in bhajana. They even worshipped the Siddha Mahatma, exalted pure devotee of the Mahaprabhu, divine couple, Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, with so much ecstatic love, devotional love. Gaura Brajashita Sheshai Vaishnavair Banda Vigraham Jagannath Prabhum Bande Prema Vidhinga Vriddha Vaishnavam. So I wholeheartedly worship, devotedly worship the lotus feet of my Lord, beloved Divine Master, Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Jagannath Prabhum Bande, Prema Vidhinga Vriddha Vaishnavam, who was none other than the personification, embodiment of the ecstatic love of Mahaprabhu and divine couple, Prema Vidhinga Vriddha Vaishnavam. one of the senior most exalted pure devotees of Mahaprabhu and divine couple, was known to be the personification, embodiment of all their ecstatic love, divine love. Then also another verse, Gaurabir Bhava Bhumestam. আপনি এটা ব্যাখ্যা করবেন, আমার সময় নেই. Gaurabir, another verse is there, requesting Paramahansa Maharaj to explain. Gaurabir Bhava Bhumestam Niddhasta Sajjanapriya Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Sri Jagannathaya Tenam. This verse, precisely this verse also means how he helped, he inspired, he became a great catalyst, divine catalyst, inspired a great deal to be discovering the divine birthplace of Lord Gaurahari in Mayapur. In this way, so we all feel eternally indebted. We all feel devotionally indebted, eternally indebted to the grace of Siddha Mahatma Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. So today, in his own gracious Bhajana Kutir, own holy birthplace, in holy Bhajana Sthali, Bhajana place, we all offer our humble obeisance, we all offer our most respectful, prostrated obeisances unto the holy lotus feet of Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, and humbly seeking, praying for his divine grace to be bestowed upon me, bestowed upon all of you, and make us fulfilled with the eternal loving services, the blessings, with the attainment of eternal loving services to Gaura Nityananda, divine couple Radha Krishna Chandra. In this way, I humbly remain here. Time is very limited. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.